Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how much it costs to live in Japan, step by step. Understanding these expenses is key to planning your move. For a single person, average monthly costs typically range from about 170,000 to 250,000 yen. Keep in mind that these figures can change quite a bit depending on where you choose to live. Major cities like Tokyo are generally pricier, while smaller towns offer more affordable options. Rent usually takes the biggest bite out of your budget, with transportation and car ownership also being significant factors. Let's talk about housing, which is often the largest expense. Across Japan, a one-room apartment, typically 20 to 40 square meters, averages between 50,000 and 70,000 yen per month. However, if you're looking at central Tokyo or popular neighborhoods, expect rent for a similar space to start closer to 100,000 yen. Beyond rent, you'll also need to budget for utilities. For one person, electricity, gas, and water usually total around 13,000 yen each month. Remember, initial moving costs can be quite high, sometimes 5 or 6 times the monthly rent. Now, let's move on to food and daily necessities. For a single person, monthly groceries typically cost about 27,700 yen if you cook at home. If you enjoy dining out, an inexpensive restaurant meal can range from 600 to 1,500 yen. A quick coffee at a chain averages around 400 yen. For household items and other essentials, 100 yen shops are fantastic for finding great value on a wide variety of products, helping you save money on everyday living. Finally, let's discuss transportation and other miscellaneous costs. Japan boasts an incredibly efficient public transportation system, which is often more affordable than in many other countries. In Tokyo, subway fares typically range from 170 to 320 yen per ride, depending on the distance. A single person's monthly transportation budget might be around 22,665 yen. Don't forget about other expenses, like personal care. For example, a haircut can start from 4,000 yen, offering excellent service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.